Hello everyone. Hi Taurus, Ed sign. This is the reading for your 2021 predictions. So these are the general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So I am doing only headlines of 2021, not in specific, not in detail. So these are the just outlines of 2021. So let's see what are the overall messages for you 2021 Taurus. So these are only the headlines. Taurus, your messages for 2021. So Taurus, wow, okay, wow, very positive. Taurus, wow. So another deck, Ace of Wands. So let's see. So first four cards for first 4 months and middle 4 months and last 4 months. Okay. So in January you are undergoing some transformation. Major transformation is going in your life in January month. Maybe you are not talking more to anyone. That is for spiritual awakening for some. Yeah, you are getting some spiritual awakening in January. In February, Libra, Justice. Your person could be Libra. Definitely there is, you stand by your power. Someone approaching for second chance, but you cut them off even though you have emotions for them. Yeah, there is some communication is also coming in your way regarding relationship. And in March, you are like very caring and giving person. In March you are in Queen of Cups energy, that is very loving energy. And April, the Fool. Definitely you started something new in your life. You are going with the flow. The Fool energy is a brand new beginning in your life. Wow, that is very, very positive energy. You are going with the flow. In the first 4 months, I am not seeing any big changes. You are very caring person and you stand by your power. You are going with the flow. In the first 4 months, the best part of your life in 2021 is the middle. You achieving financial stability, your wishes are going to be granted, and someone is coming towards you. Some communication, they're rushing towards you because Nine of Pentacles with Queen of Pentacles. Definitely you are achieving financial abundance, you are achieving financial stability, you are making more money, or you started something new job, new career. You are achieving financial stability, or you're getting more money. And for Nine of Cups, definitely your wishes are going to be granted, and someone is approaching you and they are rushing towards you. Some communication is coming in your way. Taurus. And last 4 months, yeah, Scorpio, your person could be. Definitely you are undergoing some spiritual awakening, some transformation. Again, you stand by your power. You turn your back that doesn't serve you anymore. Three of Wands. And relationship wise, you both could be in long distance relationship. You turn your back, you cut them off for any reason. It could be third party situation, whatever, but they are coming back again with a lot of passion. Yeah, I think two persons coming towards you here. One could be the past person and one could be the new person. For some it could be only new person coming in your life with a lot of passion. They're rushing towards you in relationship wise, or in your career wise. You are doing your work with a lot of passion. You are very passionate about your work. You are doing with a lot of passion. Ace of Wands. You want financial stability. You are creating more money because Queen of Pentacles with Nine of Pentacles, you stand by your power. You are no more dependent on anyone, either emotionally or financially. You are independent. Okay. Wow, this year is going to be the best year, especially in the middle of the year. 4 months, in the middle 4 months, your wishes are going to be granted. You started something new. And yeah, in the last 4 months, definitely there is someone is approaching you. You are doing your work very passionately. There is a lot of passion involved. You are doing your work, you are doing your job with a lot of passion. So the overall reading is, I think major transformation you are undergoing because the Virgo and the Death is here. Definitely there is transformation is coming in your life, and that too there is a lot of financial stability. And some new love is also coming in your life. Taurus, yeah. So this is the reading for you. Let's pull some cards from universe. Final message. Taurus, only 4 cards from this deck. Okay, let's see. 3 of Wands 2 times. There is some waiting, separation, financial. Wow. I think you are suffering in silence. For some, for some there could be separation between you and your person, but they will be coming back after I think 7th or 8th month. There is coming back. They are coming back to offer equal give and take. Definitely you are waiting for them. If you in relationship, 3 of Wands, waiting game is going between both of you, and you are suffering in silence but not making any move because you stand by your power. Then they are coming back to offer equal give and take, but you stand by your power. You are achieving everything in your life, like financial stability, emotional stability, independence. Yeah, definitely 3 of Wands 2 times. This could be long distance relationship. You or your person both live in different cities, different countries, or different states. What I'm getting here, but 2 persons coming towards you. One could be new and other could be old. For some it could be only 1 person. For some there will be separation after your reconciliation. Then they will be coming back with the offer. They want to offer equal give and take. So this is the reading for you. These are the only outlines of 2021 Taurus. So hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Click the bell icon, then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.